I spent 27 hours testing Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini against a $97 per month software stack to see which free AI could actually replace paid tools. The results shocked me, and one clear winner emerged for each business scenario. If you are paying for tools right now, this breakdown might save you over $1,000 a year. I am Paul James, and I help people turn free AI into real leverage without expensive subscriptions. I started my business from my brother's garage with zero budget, so I get it when you are trying to build something without burning cash on software every month. That is exactly why I ran this test. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem. Most people are still paying for Jasper, Copy AI, or some all-in-one platform when Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini all exist for free. But nobody is showing you which one actually performs when you throw real business tasks at it. Everyone just says they are all great, pick whichever you like. That is useless advice when you are trying to replace paid software. So I built what I call the free stack elimination test. 3 platforms, 3 identical business tasks, 1 winner per category. The tasks I chose are what actual clients pay for: client proposals, email automation sequences, and deep research projects. These are not cute tests. These are the services that keep agencies and freelancers in business. Let me walk you through exactly what happened. First test, client proposals. I gave all 3 platforms the same brief. A local gym needs a social media strategy proposal for Instagram and TikTok. They want to grow from 300 followers to 5,000 in 90 days. Budget is $2,500. I started with ChatGPT. It gave me a solid proposal in about 40 seconds. The structure was clean: executive summary, strategy breakdown, timeline, pricing breakdown. But here is what I noticed. The language felt generic. It used phrases like synergize your brand and maximize engagement potential. Clients can smell template language from a mile away. Then I tested Gemini. Same exact brief. Gemini took a different angle. It pulled in research about fitness content trends and gave me specific TikTok formats that were working right now. The proposal felt more grounded in data, but the pricing section was weaker. It did not break down deliverables as clearly as ChatGPT did. Finally, Claude. This is where things got interesting. Claude asked me follow-up questions before writing anything. It wanted to know the gym's current content style, their competitor landscape, what equipment they had for filming. Then it wrote a proposal that felt completely custom. The language was conversational, the strategy was specific, and it even included a risk mitigation section I never asked for. Winner for client proposals, Claude. It takes slightly longer because it asks clarifying questions, but the output does not feel like a template. That matters when you are competing against other freelancers for the same contract. Here is where everything clicks. Most people never realize this part. Free tools are not equal just because they are all free. They have completely different strengths, and knowing which one to use for which task is what separates pros from beginners. Second test, email automation sequences. I needed a 5 email nurture sequence for someone who downloaded a lead magnet about time management for entrepreneurs. The goal is to warm them up and offer a paid course on the 5th email. ChatGPT nailed this one. It understood email marketing structure immediately. Each email had a clear hook, value delivery, and a soft CTA. The tone was consistent across all 5 emails. The 5th email transitioned into the pitch naturally without feeling pushy. I could copy and paste this into any email platform and it would work. Gemini struggled here. The emails were fine, but they felt disconnected from each other. Email 3 did not reference anything from email 2. The sequence did not build momentum. It felt like 5 individual emails instead of a coordinated campaign. Claude did well, but it over-explained everything. Each email was too long. Email marketing works best when emails are tight and scannable. Claude wanted to teach instead of sell, which is not ideal for a nurture sequence designed to convert. Winner for email automation, ChatGPT. It understands marketing copy rhythm better than the other 2. If you are building email funnels, this is your tool. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Third test, deep research projects. I asked all 3 platforms to research the current state of AI video generation tools, compare the top 5 options, and give me a breakdown of pricing, use cases, and limitations. This is the kind of research that agencies charge $1,500 to $3,000 for. ChatGPT gave me a decent overview, but it was limited by its knowledge cutoff. It kept saying it could not access real-time data. That is a problem when you need current information. Gemini crushed this test. It pulled live data, compared actual pricing from each platform's website, and gave me a breakdown that was more detailed than what I could find manually in 2 hours. It even highlighted recent updates I had not seen yet. The research was current, accurate, and comprehensive. Claude did well too, but it focused more on explaining how each tool worked instead of just giving me the comparison data. For research tasks, I do not always need that much context. Sometimes I just want the facts organized clearly. Winner for deep research, Gemini. It accesses live data faster and organizes findings better than the other two. If you offer research as a service, Gemini is your secret weapon. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. I thought I needed to pick one and stick with it forever. That is not how pros operate. You use different tools for different jobs. Here is the angle most tutorials never touch. You do not replace a $97 per month tool with one free AI. You replace it with the right combination of free AIs used strategically. ChatGPT for marketing copy, Gemini for research, Claude for custom proposals and strategy work. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a quick example of how this plays out in real business scenarios. Imagine you land a client who needs a complete content strategy for their podcast. They want episode topics, email sequences to promote each episode, and research on what their competitors are doing. You use Gemini to research competitor podcasts and pull data on what topics are performing well. Takes you 20 minutes instead of 3 hours. Then you use Claude to write the custom strategy proposal based on that research. The proposal feels tailored to their specific situation, not like a template. Then you use ChatGPT to write the email sequences because it understands marketing rhythm better. Total cost, $0. Total value to the client, anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on how you package it. This is not theory. This is exactly how I have been running projects since I tested all 3 platforms. The combination is more powerful than any single paid tool I used to rely on. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Paid tools want you to believe you need everything in one platform. That is how they justify the monthly fee. But when you break down what you actually need, it is almost always 3 or 4 core functions. Writing proposals, creating marketing copy, doing research, organizing data. Free AI handles all of that if you know which one to use for which task. Now let me be clear about limitations. None of these platforms replace human judgment. You still need to review everything, fact-check research, and customize outputs for your specific clients, but they cut your production time by 70 to 80%. That is the leverage. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this workflow. You are not paying for software subscriptions anymore. You are using the right free tool for each task. Your proposals feel custom because you are using Claude. Your email sequences convert because you are using ChatGPT. Your research is current because you are using Gemini. You are delivering the same quality work as agencies charging 5 times what you charge, but your overhead is basically 0. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.